really all marketing comes down to is how much does it cost you to get a stranger to become a client? That's actually the only thing that matters.
Mm-hmm.
In real estate, for the most part, if you're really good, like if you're really good at conversion, so I'd say like Ryan and I, 10 years, we've been working online leads, we've been practicing marketing,
Yeah.
we've got as good as we possibly can get. I would call us advanced. It still costs us $1,000. I know I have to spend $1,000 to get one real estate client. I do. But I make fucking 10 grand, so I don't care. It's 10x.
Yeah.
Whatever. And most importantly, the magic is if you're good at repeat or referral and then they send you more business, you're getting all that business free on the back end. So you might make 40 grand off of the same $1,000 if you're good at keeping the clients. That's how you, but most people want to spend 10 and make 10,000. There are no marketing avenues that I know. That's like crypto odds. You know what I'm saying? Like it's crypto shit and people expect it to happen. So for us, it's like, you know what? With your skill set right now, you are not going to be able to acquire a client as cheaply as Ryan and I because we've just been doing it longer. So it's probably going to cost you $3,000 to $4,000 to get a client to work with you. But you make 12,000. So it's still a good spread. How you make this better is you either get better on the phone or you get them to refer you. Those are the only two ways to make more money if you stay at your current skill set, really, at the end of the day, right? So this is just the math of what it is. So it's like if I know it's going to cost you $3,000 to $4,000, it's how fast or how slow do you want to spend that money? If you want to spend $4,000 over a year, it's going to take you a year to get your first client. If you want to spend $4,000 in 1 month, you'll get the client within a month.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You see what I'm saying?
Yes, definitely. No, definitely we should increase this $5. I mean, it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. It's not helping you in any capacity. So we can switch that. What would you like the budget to go to then?
In a month, if we say, I mean, we can go up to 15 per day. So that, I mean, in total, I can, I mean,
yeah, so 15 per day,
450.
you should get basically someone new every single day is what you should be looking at, right? And so with that being said, what is that? 15 times 30 is 450 a month, right? So at 450, you still have some people in the pipeline, but at 450, your lead cost should stay about the same, which is 18 if we're asking 3 questions. So you get 25 leads. You should be booking of the 25 leads, you should have 2 appointments booked a month. If you are like, so you should have 8% of these people converted to appointments, and depending on how good you are at delivering the value on the appointment, 1.5 of those should show up. So 1 to 2 of them are going to show up. That means that with your budget and your conversion level right now, it's still going to take you 8 months to get your first client, and it's still going to cost you the exact same amount of money. Okay? It's just that those are the expectations that I want to set, unless you continue to practice and you get better on the phones and all that kind of stuff. Practice
this is what I'm doing. Yeah.
Go up to 1%, and then it'll take you 4 months. Because your conversion rate will be better.
Yeah.
Right?
I already got my first client. But
did you get one though? You've already had a couple of appointments, Ryan said, though, no?
Yeah.
And she already did a deal with one.
Yes, I did. And the second one is waiting for the wife to increase their salary and things.
What's the commission on that one?
16.5.
Okay, yeah. So listen, Esra, you got a deal.
Yeah.
You've been running your ads. You've spent $1,266. And you got $16,000 from that.
That's not bad. I know.
That's more than a 10x.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't have anything in my pipeline. That's why I'm a bit.
Because you're not spending money. So if you want to go to.
I didn't know that I mean, I've been only limited with this $5 a day. I really didn't know it.
Yeah, so I would tell you, let's go to 450.
Yes.
I'd like you to get another 16,000, and then once you tell me that you've done this twice, because I don't want you to think like, oh fuck, I got beginner's luck. Okay, I'm gonna let one go.
Okay.
But if we spend 450 and you get another deal, I want you to start spending 2,000 a month. I know it sounds crazy, but if you want to triple your business, I'm telling you how to do it. I'm showing you the path to do it. It sounds insane, but I just told you that you spent $1,200 and you got 16,000. Shouldn't you want to spend as many 12,000s as you possibly can, so that you can keep getting more 16s?